someone call me and I'll let you go ahead. I'm out for a little while. I was like, okay. So.
Actually, I'm just gonna say we might have problems. Something broke down in there. Don't know what it is. Yeah, it's broke.
Once he gets up here, I can feel it because he's